Some of the most critical challenges facing manufacturers are recruiting, preparing, and growing the talent base. SCMEP recognizes this and can provide solutions for your firm. Is your company looking for tools that provide immediate results in reducing training time, improving processes, and building cooperation? Are you looking to create a lasting culture with respect and solid communication? These factors play a critical role in contributing to the bottom line and success of your organization. That's where we come in. I'm going to discuss 6 ways TWI, or Training Within Industry, can transform your business. It is a solution for turnover and retention. TWI helps your company with proper onboarding by improving training and building solid relationships and culture from the start. TWI is an answer for retirees where the risk is loss of knowledge. It can help successfully document and transfer knowledge from an aging workforce. It also helps to increase speed to meet productivity rate and quality for new employees. TWI can be used as a tool for defect reduction and focus attention on quality issues and customer complaints. It builds effective culture and positive relationships. These are fundamentals for building a cohesive team, making everything you do more efficient. Lastly, it is used as a basis to establish, improve, or emphasize standard work. Get rid of more delays, downtime, and frustrated employees. Reach out to SCMEP and learn more about how this important tool can change your culture.